Welcome. Good morning. Can I help you find anything today?
Hi, yes, I'm looking for some fresh fruits and vegetables. What do you recommend?
Well, these organic strawberries just came in this morning. They're sweet and perfect for smoothies. And our avocados are on sale. Buy two, get one free.
Oh, that sounds great. I'll take the strawberries. How much are they?
The strawberries are $3.99 per box. Would you also like some bananas? They're rich in potassium and only 50 cents a pound.
Sure, I'll grab a bunch. What about vegetables? I need something for a salad.
I'd recommend our fresh romaine lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumbers. You can make a delicious garden salad. The tomatoes are locally grown.
Perfect. I'll take all of those. Anything else you'd suggest?
How about some whole wheat bread from our bakery section? It pairs wonderfully with your salad. And don't forget to check out our dairy aisle for fresh cheese.
Great suggestions. You've been so helpful. Let me grab those and head to checkout.
My pleasure. Your total will be at the register. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Marco. See you next time.